Hello. Welcome to Kinderbook number 4. Are you ready? Let's start.
He's a police officer. He's a police officer. She's a police officer. She is a police officer. She's a police officer. She's a police officer. She is a doctor. She's a doctor. She's a doctor. He is a doctor. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. He's a teacher. She is a teacher. She's a teacher. She's a teacher. She is a firefighter. She's a firefighter. She's a firefighter. He is a firefighter. He is a firefighter. He's a firefighter. Noodles. Noodles. I like noodles. I like noodles. Bread. Bread. I like bread. Curry. Curry. I like curry. I like curry. Pasta. Pasta. I like pasta. I like pasta. Broccoli. Broccoli. I like broccoli. I like broccoli. Cheese. Cheese. I like cheese. I like cheese. Pizza. Pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. Rice. Rice. I like rice. I like rice. steak, steak. I like steak. I like steak. Eggs, eggs. I like eggs. I like eggs. Cookies, cookies. I like cookies. I like cookies. It's quiz time!
Alright, so we're doing a little bit of a review, okay, and today's one might be a little bit difficult, a little bit tricky, but we're going to try, okay? Alright, so I'm going to say some sentences, okay, and I'd like you to check which picture do you think is correct, okay? Which picture am I talking about, okay? Alright, so listen very carefully, alright? Okay, so I'm going to start. The pink heart is next to the purple triangle. Okay, I'm going to say that once more. The pink heart is next to the purple triangle. Okay? Alright. And the yellow heart is on the orange square. The yellow heart is on the orange square. Okay? Okay. And also, the blue circle is in the yellow star. The blue circle is in the yellow star. So there should be one picture with all of these in it, and I want you to check that picture, okay? I'm going to say all the sentences once more, okay? Alright, so the pink heart is next to the purple triangle. The yellow heart is on the orange box. And the blue circle is in the yellow star. Okay? If you think you know which picture it is, please check the picture. Alright. Good job. Okay, so today your first piece of your homework is you have to write some numbers, okay? So I'm going to give you a maths quiz, okay? And I want you to write the numbers, okay? So, number one, listen and write. Ready? Number one. 4 plus 2 is... Okay, I said that once more. Number one, ready? 4 plus 2 is... Okay, alright then. Okay, next one. Number two, okay? Alright, so this time. 2 plus 5 is... Okay, once more. 2 plus 5 is... Okay, alright, okay, alright then. Number three, okay, ready? 4 plus 4 is... Okay, I do once more for you, ready? 4 plus 4 is... Okay, alright, write the numbers down, okay? Last one, number four, okay, ready? Last one. 5 plus 5 is... Okay, alright, okay, once more, ready? 5 plus 5 is... Okay, alright. You can pause the video, you can play the video again if you didn't quite catch it, okay? Alright, okay, good job.
This is best 豆腐、ドーナツ。イェーイ We did it! イェーイ
5 minutes is up. Let's see what's happened to the pies. Dun 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 da-da! Wow! They look like proper pies. Okay, so I'm going to take these out. I'll show you one last picture of them, and I'm going to eat them all. No, not really. I'm not going to. Okay, hang on a minute. Okay, sorry. Before we finish, I thought we'd play rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This time, if I win, Masa. If Masa wins, okay, Masa wins. You have to say, "Oh, I lost." Okay. Oh, I lost. Okay. But if Masa loses, I say I lost. Okay. You have to say I win. Okay. I win. Okay. And then if it's rock and rock, okay, we have to say it's a draw. Okay. It's a draw. Okay. Alright, so we're going to play rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, very good. Alright then. See you!
This is baked tofu